Welcome to Titan Post Drivers, and thank you for choosing the PGD3200XPM Contractor Grade Post Driver. Built for contractors, fence professionals, and rental centers, the PGD3200XPM delivers the power and reliability you need to drive posts and pipe up to 3 inches, ground rods, tent stakes, T-posts, and winged posts, including postmaster and lifetime post. Your driver comes equipped with a carrying case, bottle of engine oil, grease, a 2 1/2 inch adapter sleeve, the PGD MDC-PM LT drive cap, and a toolkit to help you get started right out of the box. Before operating your Titan driver, take a moment to review a few important safety and setup steps. Always wear proper personal protective equipment, including safety glasses, gloves, hearing protection, and steel-toe boots. Ensure your work area is clear of obstacles and that your post is properly positioned and stable before driving. Before first use, be sure to check your driver's grease level and engine oil. Confirm that all bolts and fittings are secure, and ensure that the correct guide sleeve or drive cap is installed for your post type. Make sure to refer to your user manual for full, detailed pre-operation instructions. When operating the PGD3200XPM, use both hands to maintain a firm grip and stable stance, and always keep hands and feet clear of the driving area. Maintain approximately 10 to 12 pounds of down pressure while driving posts. To keep your Titan driver performing at its best, regular maintenance is essential. This includes checking oil and grease before each day of use and changing O-rings yearly if used frequently. For detailed maintenance schedules and procedures, always refer to your owner's manual or visit our website at titanpostdrivers.com. Titan offers a full line of accessories to help you get even more from your PGD3200XPM. Available options include extension handles, grips, and top throttle kits, round pipe and tent stake drive caps, the X-Series driver transport cart for easy transport of your driver and accessories, as well as an assortment of poly reducer sleeves designed to improve efficiency, versatility, and ease of use on the job. Thanks again for choosing Titan Post Drivers. For more information, support, and accessories, visit titanpostdrivers.com and get the most out of your equipment.